If you need to block someone on Lyft, whether it's a rider or a driver, follow these simple steps to ensure your experience remains safe and comfortable. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Access your ride history. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Ride History to view your past rides. Step 3. Find the user. Scroll through your ride history to locate the ride with the person you wish to block. Tap on that specific ride to open the details. Step 4. Block the user. In the ride details, look for an option that says Block User or Report. Select this option and confirm your choice to block the individual. Step 5. Confirm the block. After blocking, you may receive a confirmation message. Ensure you follow any additional prompts to finalize the blocking process. By following these steps, you can easily block someone on Lyft, enhancing your safety and comfort while using the service. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Lyft support for further assistance.